Hey guys, Robin Lynn here. I want to share with you about my Daily Choice HempWorx brand for coffee CBD. Now, if you're like me, you are obsessed with coffee, and not just any coffee, but good coffee. And you also are someone who enjoys CBD because it helps you feel really good. So what I want to share with you is my routine for making a smoothie with the fabulous HempWorx coffee infused CBD. And so I'm going to share with you how I make a phenomenal power smoothie. I did work out on my rebounder earlier this morning, worked up a really good sweat, feel really good, and now I'm ready to nourish myself and to give myself power-packed nutrients with also enhanced CBD. So I'm going to share with you how I make my power smoothie with the HempWorx, my Daily Choice CBD coffee. Okay, let's go. So one thing I use is this Coyo dairy-free natural kefir. It's a probiotic coconut milk kefir, and it is phenomenal. If you don't have anything like this, you can actually use water. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, regular milk if you want to. I don't do regular milk, but I do goat's milk. This might not taste so good with goat's milk, but I did in this Cuisinart. By the way, I love this handheld blender here. So with the Cuisinart, I filled it up just about a third full with the natural kefir, but again, you can use any kind of drink. You can also use water if you want to avoid extra calories and fat, but I want the calories and fat because this is basically my lunch. I also put a little bit of frozen blueberries in there, so that's what that chunky stuff is. I just put a little bit of frozen blueberries in there. You guys can use ice if you'd like. I recommend using something that's frozen, some kind of frozen fruit. You can use cherries, strawberries, blueberries, any kind of berry, blackberries, raspberries is going to be low glycemic, meaning it's not going to spike your blood sugar. So it's really going to be helpful if you use a frozen berry, or you can use ice if you, again, don't want calories. Water and ice is fine. So again, choose your liquid beverage. So obviously we are going to use the HempWorx hemp infused coffee. It's got 5 milligrams CBD per little packet here. They're very strong. It's very dark, and it also includes not just the organic coffee, but it has chaga mushrooms in it. Chaga mushrooms are amazing. So I am going to put, I'm going to put 2 of these in here because I want extra energy. I recommend, if this is your first time using it, to just maybe try using 1 because it is strong, but I like my coffee strong, and so I also want a boost of energy. So I'm going to do 2 of the coffees. So I'm going to open them up. Very easy to open. And I'm just going to put inside of my blending concoction here. This also is really powerful and helpful if you go camping a lot. So as the summer approaches and you are like me and you want to go camping and you're not sure what to take with you because you don't want to take your whole coffee concoction with you, then you can take these cool packets and have the double whammy of coffee, amazing organic coffee with the hemp infused CBD. So there you go, with chaga mushrooms, by the way, and it tastes amazing. However, if you want to sweeten it, I don't like my smoothies that sweet. You can use honey, although I do recommend using maple syrup or stevia. Stevia here, maybe I'll use depending on how this tastes. So again, we just added the hemp infused coffee inside of our concoction here. Now, another thing that is really good for keeping your body healthy, healthy fats, very high in quality fats, saturated quality fats, and to cut down on any kind of excess weight, but to actually trim you down. I eat half of an avocado a day. What I'm gonna do, I already had a quarter of an avocado, so I'm gonna put another quarter to make up my half for the day. I'm gonna put another quarter inside of the smoothie and make it nice and thick. It is a perfect avocado. Get it all in there. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know anything about the quality nutrients and antioxidants in goji berries. These are dried goji berries, and they're a superfood, and they're super high in antioxidants. And so I'm gonna put some goji berries, and this will add to the sweetness, but they are very low in sugar and very high in nutrients. So we've just added goji berry superfoods into our smoothie. Now the next thing I'm gonna add is some maca magic. Now maca is another superfood, so this is a superfood smoothie here, and we are going to be adding, this is one of the best macas I've had. Sometimes it can be very bitter maca. You wanna make sure you're getting organic maca, natural maca from the source, and that's what this maca is. So I store some of the maca in a little container, so I'm going to be adding some of that into our smoothie. And you actually don't need that much, so maca again is such an amazing superfood. Another superfood is chia seeds. So I have two types of chia seeds. I have the ground chia seeds, and then I have the regular chia seeds. I actually like the ground because it makes it easier to digest and it blends really well inside of a smoothie. If you get the regular chia seeds, which again, another superfood. So if you do get the regular chia seeds, you actually want to put this overnight inside of the liquid if you're using the regular kind, not the ground. But if you use the regular kind, you can put it overnight inside of your liquid and put it in the fridge, or you can put a little bit of hot water and it will expand because it's really hard to digest, and you don't want them too thick. You actually want them to be soft, and so that's why I really like the organic ground one. If I'm not going to put some hot water in, let them soak, or put them in the liquid overnight. And just put about a heaping tablespoon. You can get any kind of ground chia seeds, but I always recommend getting the organic kind. If you love, absolutely like me, if you love chocolate, you can use this organic cacao butter. Nativas Organics, organic cacao butter, also a superfood, plant-based, very thick, very chunky, very high in fats, but really good fats. I'm just gonna put a little bit in. I didn't take all of that, so far there is our smoothie. So the next superfood is the raw cacao powder. You don't need raw cacao. I like raw cacao. I think it tastes smoother, it tastes better. This one is from the brand Stirs the Soul. It is, I have to tell you, it is the best, and I have had insane amounts of cacao powder in my life over these years of being a raw vegan in my life, being a vegan my entire life, now being a pescatarian, but this is, I have to tell you, this is the best, the absolute best cacao I have ever had. It's extremely tasty, it's extremely smooth, and it is so delicious. Finally, we are going to be putting in some clean lean protein. This is the Smooth Vanilla from Newsist. It is European golden pea protein. It is really tasty, just has vanilla and pea protein, and I love it. So serving size is 2 scoops. Usually I only put 1 scoop in. Sometimes I put 1.5. It's very smooth, and it's also very sweet in a way, like it has like a sweetness to it. The vanilla is like insane taste, like insane tasty. So that's 1 scoop, and typically I'll put in another like 1/2 scoop. Again, we have been using the hemp infused coffee, 5 milligrams CBD per cup, and we put 2 of these in here. And the next step is to blend it. To let you know, I added a little bit of cayenne pepper to make it a little bit of spicy to get my metabolism going. So at this time, it's like a pudding, which I absolutely love. It's very, very thick. I'm gonna add a little bit more water and a little bit of ice just to make it a little bit more liquidy. I don't want it any sweeter, but absolutely you could add sweetness to it if you want to. It's absolutely perfect. And instead of using a blender, which I do sometimes use a Vitamix or a Blendtec, but this is so much easier to clean up and to use, especially if it's just you making a oneer for one of you. If you're making for like 3 or 4 people, obviously, you know, you would want maybe more than this cup, but for just you, for just me having a smoothie, I love this thing. So I highly recommend it. And now we're ready to eat. Oh my God, that's really good. Now, if you wanted to add more fat, you could absolutely add some almond butter if you want more fat to it. You can also add a little bit of turmeric to it. But I am just obsessed with just the way it is. Guys, get your hands on this product. You are gonna love it absolutely, not just as a standalone coffee, but inside of smoothies. It just adds so much richness and also gives you the energy and also calms you at the same time. So it's an amazing balance. If you want to learn how to generate not just a great lifestyle, but to increase your income, I help people build businesses around this company and also to leverage systems that I build, online systems, automated systems. I have videos, I have marketing funnels, lead capture pages, landing pages leading into a system that you get to leverage that my partner and I built for you so that you can generate income, ongoing residual income with ease without being all on your own, but leveraging our tenacity, our marketing system. I'm Robin Lynn, and I'm excited to be able to share more with you about the products. So many amazing products. The essential oils I use every day. I'll share with you more about that another time. But what I wanted to let you know is that there is a link around the video so that you can learn more about the opportunity, so I can share with you how to generate consistent, reliable cash flow online, residual income in an automated way to be able to scale your online income or to be able to get involved with generating income maybe online for the first time if this is new to you. So I'm really excited to be able to offer to you a leverage system and to be able to give you my support along the way, and so that you get your hands on amazing products that you want to use, not just sell and offer, and increase your lifestyle goals. I'm Robin Lynn, guys. I'm gonna now enjoy my amazing smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share it with people you know who are entrepreneurs or simply who just want a great lifestyle. I'm Robin Lynn. I'll check in with you soon. Be sure to click the link around the video. I got a video for you there.